With ChatGPT, you can learn anything for free, but 99% of people don't know what prompts to use. Here I leave you 8 prompts that nobody knows to be 10 times more productive than Elon Musk. Number 8 is really amazing. 1. Improve your writing by receiving feedback. Prompt: please review my text below. Correct any grammatical or spelling errors. Suggest improvements to my text. 2. Use metaphors to facilitate memorization. Prompt: I'm learning insert topic. It turns the key lessons in this topic into memorable metaphors to help me remember. 3. Acquire new skills. Prompt: I want to learn this skill. Insert: I'm an absolute beginner. Put together a 30-day learning program so I can master this skill. 4. Easily learn a complex subject. Prompt: give me the 10 essential questions for beginners on insert topic. Build a table with sample questions. 5. Ask your question to the best trainer in the world. Prompt: act as the world's best trainer on insert topic. Make a detailed training plan and provide me with practical exercises. 6. Test your knowledge. Prompt: I'm learning. Insert topic. Ask me a series of questions to test my knowledge. Identify the gaps in my answers and give me more appropriate answers. 7. Apply the 80-20 principle for effective learning. Prompt: I want to know more about insert topic. Identify and share the 20% most relevant information that will allow me to understand 80% of the topic. 8. Benefit from the advice of the best experts. Prompt: act like insert famous personality, MS Dhoni. Express your opinion critically. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments below how you plan to use these prompts. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the future with us here at Tech Wizard. Take care.